舍不得的他，忘不掉的他，眼泪流下的也没有人再给我牵挂。他开着你的花，在每一个晚霞，靠在你的身边，秀着枝桠，每一天在挣扎。
Pagtrabaho lang, ang tagal ng oras. Pero kapag nagtrabaho na may kasamang chismis, di mo na malayan. Uwian na pala.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, I guess boss. Happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
To you.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Otol Honor, happy birthday sa'yo and many more birthdays to come. And I wish you all the best, Otol, and good health. And maiwan palagi ka sanang mag-ingat dyan sa trabaho mo. Be safe always, Otol. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa'yo.
Ayan, assalamualaikum sa kapwa kong Muslim. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Ayan, happy birthday, Honor. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga support mo sa akin, sa mga event ko. Andyan ka palagi, hindi mo ako hinayaan o hindi mo kami pinabayaan sa mga event namin. Tudong support ka sa amin kahit anong busy, kahit anong kabisihan mo. Naghahanap ka talaga ng paraan para maano yung mga event ko. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sayo. Kahit anong pagsubok na ano ko dito sa bahay mo, pero nag-i-stay pa rin ako. Hindi ko pa rin naisipang lumabas. Kasi kung akala ko yun lang yung sagot ng mga problema ko na sa paglabas ko ng bahay mo, tagal ko nang ginawa yun, pero hindi eh. Salamat sa lahat. pag-intindi mo sa akin. At lahat, ikaw yung nakakaalam ng problema ko. Ikaw yung una-una kong kausapin. Kagaya nung pagkawala ng papa ko, ikaw lang yun din una kong tinawagan, pero wala, hindi mo nasagot. Kaya maraming salamat din. Paiyak lang talaga ako, hindi ko pa kasi kaya. Hirap mag-move on. Ang sakit, kaya sa lahat na sa kapwa ko mga admin, kung may mama, papa pa tayo, pahalagahan natin, bigyan natin sila ng oras. Kaya kahit sila mawawala, hindi masyado masakit sa dibdib. Pero sa akin, kahit nawawala yung papa ko, masakit nga, pero wala, hindi ko na maibalik. Araw-gabi man ako umiiyak, pero wala. Yun na yun, doon na lang yung hangganan niya. Ginawa ko lahat, ginawa namin lahat, pero nawala pa rin siya. Maraming salamat ulit. Una, stay maintindihin, stay gwapo ka lang, stay makulit, stay sa pag-intindi sa mga admin mong makukulit. Kaya bihira nilang makikita na gaya mong honor. Sobrang maintindihin, sa totoo lang. Ako mag-4 na taon na ako dito, pero minsan lalabas lang ako ng GPC kasi sobrang topak ko din. May topak din ako. Aminin ko may topak ako, pero kaya ko naman yun. Kaya maraming salamat sa todo support mo sa akin. Once again, happy birthday. Stay gwapo lang, honor, ha. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday.
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 Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ha?
To be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless you.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. And may you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Ano sa birthday mo?
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi po ingatan ng inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there, wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.